There we go, guys. Ayan. Oh. Look at here what
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
So guys, ayan. Oh. Look at here what my sugar daddy order. A lot. My God. Hindi ba? And also this. Very yummy. So what is this? So let us taste and let it see. I think this is like what do you call that? The what do you call that? I forgot. Lasagna. Okay, this is lasagna. Yummy. And with cheese in. And of course, this is my my food. You see, vegetable. Look, they have rice inside. Di ba? Yummy. So guys, and of course, this is like you know, this is yummy also. You see, and this is the sauce. So we need to taste it. Ayan, di ba? Sarap. Very yummy. And look at here. Who's here? You cannot eat this, my dear. My God. Really yummy. Too much. Ayan, guys. We need to enjoy our lives. Of course. Enjoy. We need to eat lot. Yummy. So there we go, guys. Look at me, oh. Diba yung pagkain namin? Super over. Diba? Yung parang lasagna. So ayan, guys. Kain tayo. Let's eat, diba? I'll show you. Ang sarap-sarap. So there we go, guys. Yan, o diba? Ang sarap. Yummy. And of course, now we have a kaya pizza. Yummy. Diba? Tapos meron tong cheese. There is the cheese, you see? Yeah. Ayan, guys, super yummy, really promise. Sarap. Yeah, because we order because we are lazy. Diba? So guys, let me eat, okay? So ayan mga kalindo, this is too much. I cannot eat no more, you see. I eat only ayan o, ubus na, diba? Nothing no more. So ayan yung mga leftover. Of course, meron din tayong baklava. Ayan, kita ko sa inyo ang aking baklava. I'll show you guys. Ating baklava. Ayan, diba? Really yummy. Diba? Here we go, diba? Ating baklava. I'm gonna eat later, mga kalindog. So, ayan, hindi natin naubos. Ayan yung parang I didn't finish all. Meron yan pang ganyan. Natira. And of course, ang parang lasagna shawarma. Diba? So, ayan mga kalindog. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. Ipin I don't make live still. I hope did you enjoy. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. So, ayan. Thank you, everybody. Mwah.